Hello and welcome again. Today in diamond painting, a little bit different than normally. I want to talk about the speed of diamond painting. I am getting questions of people. Is it normally that it takes 3 or 4 hours to do a little part? It completely depends of how complicated your painting is. I'm going to show you 2 different parts of my big painting. It's a giant 60 by 90 centimeters, and I'm going to do a part like this. It's 35 stones by 30 stones. And why this video? I had someone who texted me, and even I saw the same question on Facebook. How long does it take to paint this part? And yeah, it depends just how fast you are. If you paint a lot, for me it's, do you use a light pad or not? If I use a light pad, I'm going faster than when I don't use a light pad. Do you use round stones like the painting over there, or do you use square stones? Square stones is a little bit more difficult, is what people say, to paint than round stones. And actually it's true. I don't know if it's true. You can say for yourself if it's true to paint round or diamond squares. But this painting over there, the Donald Duck, it's a 40 by 50 centimeters, and actually I did it in 2 days. In 2 days it was completely done. And I did another painting, also a 40 by 50, and it were square diamonds, and it took me 2 weeks. And now I'm doing this one, 60 by 90 centimeters, and I'm already doing this for 2 or 3 months. I really get bored of it. A lot of diamonds are jumping out, pushing out again, and losing the diamonds, and I hope I have enough diamonds on the end. But that is for something else. For now, I'm just going to show you the 2 parts. What I also have is this sticky stuff to put in my pen. And sometimes I hear people saying in videos, I just have to fill my pen once a month and I can paint a whole month. For me, it doesn't work like this. I have to stick new stuff into my pen every time I paint, and most of the times I need to do it 2 or 3 times. So please let me know below what I'm doing wrong, but it's like this. So let us paint this little part. I'm going to do the bottom part first, so with less colors. I will try to put also somewhere here a clock, so you can see how long it takes before I'm done. So as you could see, this little part is done now, and it's not even that big. It's 35 stones high and 30 stones wide, and it almost took me an hour. It took me 55 minutes and approximately 20 seconds. So actually it takes a while, and in this part you can see it's a lot of one color, and even then it takes hours. So diamond painting takes a long time. The most frustrating part is when you buy a small diamond painting, and I think 2 days ago I saw someone showing a painting, and I think it's a polar bear with some elf or something pink with it, and she was complaining about it, that the quality was not fantastic. She said, actually you can see that it's a polar bear, and I was thinking, okay, it's really, the polar bear was amazing for the size, because the size was just 20 by 15 by 20. It was really super small, and I'm thinking, people, don't buy these little paintings. Even if it's cheap or you have no place to store them, don't start paintings this small. And it's more that I think it's not worth the time and the money. And if you want to paint 2030 or 1515, 1520, 2020, it's your decision. But keep in mind that if you have a very complicated picture and you push it all in 10 by 10 or 20 by 20 or 30 by 30 centimeters, okay, 30 by 30 is okay, but 2030 or 2020, 2015, don't expect an amazing diamond painting. This one you see over there, it's a 30 by 50, 40, 50, sorry, and it's super nice. I'm doing now the hotel. It's a 60 by 90, and even this one, people say it's not that super. Also, I think it's not super amazing, and maybe because it's a picture, because the cartoons are amazing. I did 2 or 3 cartoons now, and they are nice. This is the first real picture that I make, and it's not bad, and you have to see it from far away. I think if I put it behind me on the wall and you see it, you think, okay, it's super amazing. But just remind that every little square diamond actually is a bunch of colors in your original picture, and the computer takes just that color that match the most color what is inside this little square. So if you have a painting with a lot of colors, you press this into a 2030 or a 2020 or a 1515, the computer cannot calculate the correct color. The diamonds cannot go smaller, so you can fit more in 1 centimeter. So if you have 20 colors in one square centimeter, you will not get these 20 colors in your painting, because there are just 16 diamonds in a square centimeter, and actually it doesn't fit 20 colors. But this is something you have to decide for yourself. But this was just a little video. Actually, it's a long video now about how long does it take to paint, and actually it takes time. Like every hobby, it takes time. So this is what it is for now. I'm going to clean up. I had my 1 hour of painting, a little bit more, and for me it's done today. So thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like it. If you have someone who asks how long does it take to paint, just give them this video and they can see it for themselves. So thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Push the bell button somewhere, I think there. I don't know. Push the bell button. If you push the bell button, you get a push notification on your mobile device. I wanted to show you my telephone, but you're there, my telephone. You get a push notification on your mobile device if you don't use YouTube on your mobile device, or I don't know, you get a notification by email if you put this on in your settings from YouTube. And otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Enjoy your own diamond painting, and it doesn't matter how long it takes. Just enjoy it, relax, don't rush, because if you rush, all your diamonds will be, not in straight lines. So, yeah, I don't know what I have to say anymore. I get tired of myself sometimes. So, again, thumbs up, thank you for watching. See you real soon in a new episode of Diamond Painting, and ta-da!